Now we are on part 16 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Let's now switch our attention to YouTube Analytics. If you have videos uploaded on YouTube and a channel set up with some playlist, you can obtain important insights on how well your videos are doing. To access these metrics, I navigated to my account, entered the studio version of YouTube, and click on the Analytics tab. The YouTube Studio Analytics provides important insights into the performance of your videos, playlists, and channel. By accessing your account and navigating to the Analytics section, you can view detailed information about your video's views, watch time, and subscribers. Additionally, you can analyze the data for specific date range and identify the most popular videos based on minutes watched. The Reach Viewer section offers important information about how people discovered your videos, including the number of impressions and click-through rate from different sources such as Google Search, external websites, and suggested videos. By understanding the sources of your traffic, you can optimize your content and increase your reach to a broader audience. After viewers found my videos, I was able to track how many times they actually watched them. By analyzing this data, I can determine how successful my video was at capturing their attention. By clicking on the Interest Viewers tab, I can also see which videos and playlists were the most popular in terms of watch time. For instance, I can see that my partner's playlist was the most watched, providing me with insights into what topics and themes resonates most with my audience. Additionally, I can see the average view duration, which tells me how long viewers are sticking around to watch my content. Once again, this information is highly important because it allows you to delve into specific videos and analyze their performance. By selecting a single video, you can observe audience retention throughout the duration of the video, as well as how viewers found it, either through external sources or via YouTube search. In addition, you can see how many people reacted positively or negatively to the video, and obtain a wealth of information about it, as well as an overview of your channel. All of this data is accessible in YouTube Analytics within the YouTube Studio, so make sure to utilize it to your advantage. To get a better understanding of how your videos are performing, it's important to pay close attention to the data provided in YouTube Analytics. Now, let's shift our focus to tools that help us keep an eye on our competitors. It's crucial to stay aware of what our competition is up to, and luckily, there are many tools available for this purpose. When it comes to social media, one such tool is Sprout Social, which is a freemium tool that allows us to monitor our competitors. Another freemium tool that we can use is Social Blade. Additionally, there's a popular tool called SpyFu that also falls under the freemium category. As we discussed in the previous videos, Moz is another tool that we can use for tracking keywords and organic search. To gain insights into our competitors' backlinks, Moz is a powerful tool that can be used alongside BuzzSumo, another freemium tool. The use of a competitor's spine tools may seem like a simple concept, but it offers a plethora of reasons to explore. Let's take a closer look at some of these reasons. The initial point on our list emphasizes the importance of tracking our competitors' backlinks and monitoring any fluctuations in their ranking. SEO and organic search can be complex, involving technical and creative aspects, and can take a long time to yield results. As relevancy plays a crucial role in SEO, which is determined by the quality of backlinks, it's beneficial to analyze what our competitors are doing to compare our progress. Therefore, this reason tops our list to gain insights into our competitors' strategies. Let's take another example of how we can benefit from competitor analysis. One such example is to track the amount of traffic that our competitors are receiving on specific keywords. This can be useful for both paid and organic searches. We can also find out which keywords our competitors are bidding on and whether they are getting significant traffic from those keywords. Additionally, we can use various tools to identify our competitors' most successful content on relevant topics. We can also track their website referral traffic and compare it with our own campaigns to gain a better understanding of their online performance. There are various tools available to assist with tracking competitors, and one popular option is Sprout Social. This platform provides a range of features such as report generation and scheduling posts for specific times and days. By using Sprout Social, we can monitor our competitors' social media activities and obtain important insights into their strategies. Additionally, We can use freemium tools such as Social Blade and SpyFu to observe our competitors' online behavior, such as the number of backlinks and website referral traffic they receive. These tools allows us to compare our performance with our competitors and refine our marketing strategies accordingly. However, Sprout's social listening tool is particularly useful in monitoring what competitors are doing on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. By using a keyword like RV rentals, we can see what people are tweeting about and how other brands like Go RV Rentals and Cruise America RV are engaging with their audience. This provides us with significant insights into our competitors' social media strategies and helps us stay competitive in the market. If I want to focus on a specific competitor, I can narrow down my search by using their brand name. For instance, I can examine RV Share's tweets to gain insights into their posting habits, messaging, and campaign promotions. By scrutinizing the content of their tweets, including how long ago they were posted and what time of day, I can gain a comprehensive understanding of their social media activities. Additionally, by scrolling through the retweets of their content, I can see what posts have gained the most traction and identify any trends that may be useful for my own campaigns. Essentially, by using Twitter as an example, I can learn about my competitors and what they're up to. Let's talk about SEO and the first bullet point, which is to analyze our competitors' backlinks. Moz offers a tool called Link Explorer, which allows us to compare link profiles between different domains. By inputting my competitors' domains, I can get an idea of how many external and internal links they have, as well as their domain and page authority and the number of linking domains. This gives me a snapshot of how I stack up against my competitors and helps me understand how to improve my own organic search performance. Another useful tool offered by Moz is linked Intersect, which I find particularly helpful. This tool enables us to compare our domain with our competitors' domains and identify where they have a significant advantage in terms of external links and domain authority. By analyzing their linking strategy, we can gain insights into where they are getting their links from, which can help us improve our own backlink strategy and ultimately improve our domain authority. The Link Intersect tool provides an important snapshot of why our competitors' domains may be performing better than ours, which allows us to adjust our strategy accordingly. In terms of analyzing our competitors' backlinks, Moz's Link Explorer is a great tool. By inputting our competitors' domains, we can compare their link profiles with ours and gain insights into their domain authority, page authority, and linking domains. Another useful tool in Link Explorer is Link Intersect. This tool helps us identify where our site intersects with our competitor's site and where it doesn't. By doing so, we can uncover opportunities to generate backlinks by targeting the sites that link to our competitors but not to us. The Opportunities feature provides suggestions for potential link building strategies. The Link Intersect tool in Moz helps me understand where my competitor is getting their links from and where my own links intersect with theirs. By identifying the gaps in our link profiles, I can target those specific websites to generate backlinks for my own domain. Another useful report in Moz is the Discovered and Lost report, which helps me understand what websites are linking to my competitors and their overall link profile. By targeting the high authority sites that link to my competitors, I can improve my own domain's authority and visibility. Another report we can use in Moz's Link Explorer is the Inbound Links report. By entering our competitor's domain, we can see their domain authority, page authority, and the number of inbound links they have. This report gives us an idea of their link profile and helps us understand how they are performing in terms of SEO. To summarize, the Inbound Links report in Moz's Link Explorer tool can provide important insights into a competitor's linking domains. By entering competitor's domain, the report can reveal the number of linking domains and provide a list of the specific sites linking to them. Sorting by domain authority can help identify high-quality sites for potential backlinks. In the example given, the report revealed that the competitor had over 8,000 linking domains, with notable sites such as Reddit, the New York Times, and the Washington Post linking to them. Certainly, I wouldn't want to go through all 8,000 links. Instead, I can narrow down my search by filtering the results by specific link sources, types, or states. If necessary, I can export the report for further analysis. Overall, this method allows me to examine which URLs are linking to my competitor's site along with details on the anchor text, page, and domain authority. This provides me with significant insights into my competitor's backlinking strategy. I can take a cue from their backlinking strategy and even emulate it. For instance, if my competitor is getting quality backlinks from Reddit, which has an impressive domain authority of 80, it would make sense for me to explore the platform and try to get backlinks from there as well. In summary, the inbound links report is yet another significant feature in Moz's Link Explorer tool that enables me to gain insights into my competitors' backlinking tactics and make informed decisions on my SEO strategy. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 17.